Saturday morning, and just got to Doncaster to have a look at a Terberg bin lift that's apparently goes at the top and gets stuck. So yeah, let's go and have a look, see what job is. As always, gloves on first. So this has got a Terberg lift on the back and one on the side, and it's for food waste. So basically it lifts the bin up with the four bins into the top of the back. So what we'll do, we'll start with see if it'll work. So I've started it up, put P2 in, I haven't done anything else. What I've noticed is a locking pin, a pin at the other side that stops the lift coming up when they're tipping it. So I'll take them pins out, see if it operates. I think the problem is it did it, then it jammed at the top, yeah? I think what it's doing, if you look now, start moving in that carriage, that roller and bearings absolutely shot out, the same like was there. I think it's just jamming it, so getting your ladder up, operate it, and see if that's the reason why it's doing it. Can't see another reason why it's doing it. It looks like it's jamming. Let's do it one more time. sit back in there. These wagons pick up food waste and offal and stuff like that. Show you now, we've got a roller, we've got bearings inside. These are no bearings in them. So when the chair's going up and over, instead of it rolling flat, it's not much movement in it, the ram's shoving it against the track instead of letting it roll over the track. I'll just show you this bearing, you see what I mean. So basically if you look there at that bearing, so it wants both of them replacing, both of them bearings replacing as well. That's why it's doing it. I think even greasy track won't make it any better. So what I'll do now, I'm just going to try the side chair. Yeah, that one's just as good. So the truck wants a full set of bearings in it all the way around. Rollers, bearings, all lot. So we'll make a couple of phone calls now. See what they want to do with it. But yeah. That's what it needs. Yeah, so what we've done is oiled that track there. All the way down. Same on this side, that track as well. Delicious. Right, so I've got a list of what it needs, so I'll have to speak to the customer, see what they want to do with it. Basically wants all them rollers replacing and some bushes and stuff like that doing, bearings, and yeah, I should make it all good then, you know what I mean. So I love my job, mate. What a unique smell that truck had. Basically it's picking food waste up, but I think that them ones like that are more picking like waste up from butchers' shops or stuff like that. So yeah, it's what it is, isn't it? Somebody's got to work on them. So right, so back to Charlie. That'll be on time, I think. So shall see you all on Monday. Have a good weekend.